Here says Jackson leaves for work at the same time each day over a period of 227 working days. He had to wait for a train at the railway crossing on 58 days. Estimate the probability that Jackson will not have to wait for a train tomorrow. First of all, I always says we have to be careful to understand the word problems. Here it says the total days, total number of days that Jackson working is 227. That means he has to go to the workplace, and the number of days Jackson had to wait for train, the number of days he has to wait for train, it says is 58 days. We are gonna find the number of the days that Jackson shouldn't wait. So if I subtract 58 from 227, I will have the number that doesn't wait and wait would be 227 minus 58, which is 169. Okay, we said estimate the probability that Jackson will not have to wait for a train tomorrow. Tomorrow is a work day, so Jackson has to go to the train railway, and we say the probability that not waiting or not waiting equals the favorable outcomes, that's 169 days he doesn't wait, over the total of days, which is 227. If I calculate it with calculator, gives me 0.7445. And if I want to write it as a percentage, I multiply by 10, and the probability would be 74.75%. It's possible that Jackson won't have to wait for train tomorrow.